For February's supply challenge, we are going to have a look at notebooks in conjunction with Meg Sumrell's One Notebook Challenge. Hello buddy, it's Edwina from My Craft Orchard. How are you? I can't believe February's here already. Blimey, January went so fast. Comment down below, did January go really fast for you? Because it certainly did for me. So during February, Meg Sumrell from the Pink Bee always does a One Notebook Challenge, and this is where she goes through part of her top program for free, and that's the price I like, for free, and sort of helps people to centralize all of their systems. I did this last year and I did fall off, I'll be quite honest with you. I fell off. I am a definite work in progress where all my planning and things is concerned, which is one reason I've come on and sort of talk to you, because you keep me accountable somehow. But that's what I thought we'd do. If you are interested, I will link it down below. It runs from the 6th to the 8th of February, so this week, and it's live training, so every day she'll come onto Facebook for about half an hour and talk you through, and then there'll be Q&A and all those sort of things. Because it is also free, she puts it onto her app. The app is not free, but it is only a one-off cost. I'm not sure how much it is because I bought it last year. So even though it's free on Facebook, it will then be free forever if you get her app. So let's have a look, shall we? Let's give you a taste of what Megan is going to be talking about. She is basically, if you've got notebooks, bits of scraps of paper, like I have, see, I've got all sorts of stuff. There's notes, there's index cards, there's lists, addresses I need to transfer, letters I need to file, all sorts of things in there. A postcard from a friend. So that's a pile of things. There's a sizes for a baby blanket that I'm knitting, you know, that sort of thing. So in there's a pile of things. This little notebook, I've got a few little scrappy notes about videos and things in. I've got some labels that I print off for my home planner, which is the Fly Lady Zones. Again, if you're interested in keeping your house clean and all those sort of things, I'll link the Fly Lady down below. I've used her on and off, and I still do some of her things like cleaning the sink and things. I'll link that down below if you're interested in that. And then I've got a receipt, which is because it's a oil heater I need to keep. What are these? Postcards, notes out of oh, looks like mainly either things I've taken out and I could use for scrap paper. Didn't even know I had a whole pile of scrap paper. This one I think I started processing. There's loads of blank pages, and then there's still some notes and things I need to process. This one, writing. So there's a lot of writing things in here. Lady Assassin's blog, journaling, novel ideas, blog ideas, YouTube ideas, Darker Like Assassins, yeah, all sorts of things for my writing and things in that one. And then this one, I know this is my current one. I know I've got notes that need processing in here, but this is the one I'm currently using. And this is just, it's sort of got, you've got to-do lists, and then you've got blank bits, and then you've got a planner. It's not a notebook that I would bullet journaling or anything like that, so I've decided I'm just going to use it as a sort of a scrappy way. So those are all the notebooks that I've got. plus a pile of paper. And the idea is you process all of this paper and you process all of these notebooks that you've got lying around, and you're left with one notebook, one place to capture all of your ideas, which is why it's called a one notebook challenge. And then you have your planner and you also have your journaling. Megan will explain everything if you wanted to join us on the course. So this month's challenge is to just go down to one notebook for capturing all your ideas, all your to-dos, doing all your brain dumps, your brain downloads, external brain, all of those sort of things into one notebook, and then processing it. And the key to the course is how to process the information out here so you don't have this. Comment down below, are you joining us? Are you thinking that this is a good thing that you want to do? It is free, as I said before. I'm doing it. I'm going to post on Instagram some of the results that I've had and that sort of thing. There's a link down below for you to sign up, and hopefully I will join you on the 6th for a fantastic free challenge. And then the whole of the month then we can carry on processing, sorting all this out, because it's going to take me a while to get through this, I have to say. There's a few hours of processing notes in this pile here, and I set up a new system of only using one notebook. Comment down below, let me know if you're going on, how you're doing, if you're going to do it, if you think it's a good idea. Like this video if you definitely think this is a good idea, and please, if you are new, subscribe. I have lots of journaling ideas and all sorts of things, stationery hauls, plan with me, that sort of thing planned for the future. Plus you could go back and have a look at my Kanban systems and things if you haven't already caught those videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.